Hey guys, welcome back. I wanted to do a quick video on something that I touched on in a previous video on my Tundra. In that video, I did just an overview of some of the quick, first essential things I did to my truck right after I bought it, and then I also touched on some things that I want to do in the future. This specific video, I wanted to do a deep dive into the phone mount that I bought for my Tundra. I found it actually based off of other reviews on phone mounts, and honestly couldn't be happier with it. It's made by Offroam. If you're not familiar with the brand, go check them out. I'll put a link in the comments to their website, or in the description, sorry. But I want to quickly kind of show you what comes in the box, and then I'll switch over to an install video and how we installed it in my truck. Very, very simple. I've had several different phone mounts over the years, and couldn't recommend this one enough. It's all aluminum design. It is, I think, roughly $79 on their website, or at least for this one. They make them vehicle specific. So check it out, see if your vehicle is listed there, and I would highly recommend them. But if we kind of look down at what we have here, what's in the box. Again, very simple, but this connects to your vent. Actually, it connects in the upper left-hand corner in the Tundras and Sequoias. And it has an Allen head on the end of the ball mount here, and you just use an Allen wrench that is included, and tighten this up to your vent. And once it's tight, it doesn't move at all. Second part you'll get is an articulating arm, again made out of aluminum. Tighten it down on both balls and both ends, and again similar, just like this other one, it doesn't move at all. Absolutely love that. And now the third piece here. This will depend on which mount you get. They make two different options. This is a universal mount. So this will work with essentially any phone for the most part. Check out the dimensions of your phone, especially if you have a case on it, just to make sure it will fit. But this is a universal mount, and they also make a MagSafe mount as well. So if you don't want to slide this out and clip your phone in, they have a MagSafe mount that will just stick to it. I went with the MagSafe mount because I didn't have the MagSafe case on my phone, and this works great. I absolutely love it. It's again made out of aluminum, and it's got a rubberized material on the back here and on both sides, if you can see that there. I don't know if the camera's quite picking that up, but once you have your phone in here, and I'll show you on the install video, it doesn't move at all, and absolutely love it again. This particular one was the X Overland, I think special edition that they offer on their website. Check that out. They also just have the standard one that says Offroam on the side, but great mount. Couldn't recommend them enough. It's my favorite mount by far over the half dozen or so that I've had over the years. If you like this video, find it helpful or useful, like, subscribe, do all those great things, and I'll kick it on over to the install video. Thanks.
All right, so I'll begin by setting the base up. It will actually go in the top left corner here of your vent. Regardless of the model, it should be the same, and I believe this also fits in the Sequoia as well as the Tundra here. So first things, if you notice on the back, if I can get a little closer, there's a little couple slits here. So I will, one of those slits goes right here through this horizontal kind of piece of plastic here. So I'll put it in just like that. Make sure you get it up in the corner. I'll take my Allen wrench and tighten it up. All right, that is not moving. Next, I will take our articulating arm here, loosen it up enough to get it through at least one of these balls. And then I will go ahead with my other hand, grab the mount itself, slide it in, continue to twist this to tighten it up. It's already getting very tight. And that is, I mean, look, it does not move at all. Just to show you as an example here, I have a iPhone, I believe it's a 16 Plus with an OtterBox. It's not the biggest, but it's a decent size phone. Has no problem fitting there, and it does not move. Again, love this. It holds phones very tightly. No concerns or issues with it dropping a phone or even the phone moving. I will say the only, I think, opportunity for improvement may be is anytime you do want to put your phone on here, or especially take it off, it's not that easy to do with one hand. I've had others where you can just push a button or release a button and it will release the phone. I guess that's one of the things you sacrifice when you're looking for something that's very sturdy. But it's easy to do with two hands for sure. Pull it out and set the phone in it. But if I were to try to do this with one hand, it's a little more difficult. It can be done, but there you have it. If you have any questions, comments, send them to me. Let me know. Or if anybody else has experience with them, good or bad, love to hear it. And thanks for watching. Bye.